All right, guys. Hey. So this morning I wanted to revisit a pour I had done, I don't know, maybe about a month ago. It's called Delicious Designs. I absolutely love the colors in this one, but I'm not going to go through the colors or the layering of the cup. What I'll do is link the video in the video description so you can go back and see how I did that. All of the information with the amounts of mix ratios, etc., will all be are all the same and are in that video. So I'm just going to start with that because I didn't really make that very puddle-like. It was more of a okay, so I'm going to start. In this one, I did a couple extra layers of colors at the tippity top just to fill the cup. I actually think I'm going to give that a quick torch. And we're going to give it a go. I'm not going to do a full turn on this one. So I love these colors. They are Maui by Art Minds. There is Prussian Green by Arteza. Prussian Blue, also by Arteza. No, I'm sorry, Liquitex Basics. I have Deco Art Extreme Sheen Gold. Art Minds Mysterious mixed with some deep turquoise to get a little iridescent in there. The Prussian Blue actually has a little bit of metallic navy in it to give it some sparkle as well. The white is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part Artist Loft white with a couple little scoops of my stick of the satin enamel. So I'd say that's about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. All right. So that is that. I'm loving what I see here. I have some Prussian Blue mixed up from a previous pour, and I'm just gonna add a little around the edges here just to help the paint flow. I didn't want to mix up any more white. That will do just enough. Somebody had commented on whether or not I've been able to ever maintain just the single pour without stretching it out. And honestly, I really don't know if that's even possible. I'm almost not even, I can't even imagine not stretching it out, only because I know the paint will crack and I don't want to waste paint or canvas. I mean, I know I could always scrape the canvas, but so I just don't think it's possible. So if you're watching this, that's my answer. Because my paints are super thick. And that's how I get the composition that I have here. All right. Ah, I love it. I love these colors together. I'm gonna leave that cup over there because it has a little extra in there, and I'm gonna just start tilting this, and then I have to go to work. Oh, this is gonna be a disaster. Let me roll up the sleeve one more time. I gotta make sure my sleeves are like all the way rolled up in order to do these. Always recenter your paint after. Sometimes I don't, and I regret that. All right, so I'm gonna give it another torch. And we're gonna repeat over to that corner. Just have it kiss the edges and go over just a little bit to start stretching the canvas, the paint out on the canvas. I'm gonna come to this corner. Just go all the way over. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is take my gloves off. I love this one. And I see something in there. love all these colors. They're so beautiful. All right. I'm just a mess. All right, let's see here. I love these colors in here. I've got some striped cells in here and I love it. I feel like maybe a little too much gold, but we'll see how it dries. I think it'll all level out while it's drying. All right, one more final torch. Bring you guys in, so get ready. All right, here it is. I love those striped cells in here. And you come over here and you see these little tips with the pink in them. Right here. Yeah. I love how the gold floats on everything. And look at those little tips. They look like little buds, little flowers. And I love this. It's like almost electric green in there. Yeah, let me get on this side so you can see. There we go. In this area. I love it. Trying to get away from the glare, but I also want you guys to see the little pinks and the blues in there. Purple. Little puffy clouds. So let's bring you on this side. I know I'm moving a little fast. Sorry, guys. I just love this area. I wanted to preserve this area as much as possible. So that's why this might be a little oblong, but I'm really, really liking it. Probably could have pulled this area off to the corner, but in doing that I would have lost more of the composition and it would have gotten a little more oblong, and I didn't want that to happen. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. There is a link to the Arteza products in the video description. You can get a % off with my coupon code SarahMack5. And that is good through February 14th. So if you've been wanting to get some Arteza products, this is the time to do it. Pick up some Prussian blue. That's a great color by them. The Prussian green I used in this piece is fabulous. Their pearl metallics are wonderful. And then my usual, my Bordeaux red. So if you're looking for any wonderful colors to play with, those are some colors you can choose. And the mix ratio to Floetrol is just astounding. It makes it so worth the price you pay. And I think it's like $7 at 4 ounces, but that 4 ounces goes a long way because you can mix them with a lot of Floetrol and still keep the same vibrancy of the color. Anywho, all right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Connect to me via Facebook or Instagram. My links are in the video description. If you so choose to make a donation to the arts, I do have a PayPal me link in the video description as well. You know, you're not required. I think sharing this video with friends or family or in art groups will do just fine. I appreciate all the kind comments and likes. If you like this video or any of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Have a great day.